Diyan po sa ating mga tubuhan. So, mula po sa inyo, malaman na po namin yung scale, no? Kung gaano po kalawak, gaano kagrabe ang infestation po nitong naturang peste na to. Kung yung ulat na 2,332.51 hectares po ang apektado sa report po noong July 2 ng SRA Visayas, affecting 1,326 farmers. Kung ito po ba ay lalawak pa, ito po ba ay in control na po at bumababa na po yung infestation? Ginoong Manuel, please educate us.
Yes, unang-una, no, hindi na 2,000 ang hectares ang infected. It's gone up to more than 4,000, make it 5,000 na. So the disease is spreading and it is spreading fast. Ang problema dito, yung mga ka-farmers natin, kampante, hindi sila pumupunta sa mga fields nila, hindi nila makita, hindi nila masiguro kung mayroon o wala. Mga tamad mga tamad to So, dapat they have to go out, they have to search and look at their fields kung mayroon o wala. Kung mayroon, kaya immediate dapat i-contact yung SRA para masprayan. There are medicines to kill it. There's no question about it. Importante, malaman mo kung mayroon o wala.
So sir, ano po, sabi nyo nga, more than 5,000 hectares na pong affected. Will this also make a dent? Will this also affect rin po yung sugar production po? Kung ganito na po kalawak ang yung itong peste na to, si RSSI?
Well, what is dangerous here, ma'am, is imagine at the start, at the onset, ang una-una nakita namin 100 hectares.
Only,
Okay? Doon pa lang. Ngayon 5,000 na. Ilang buwan lang. Yun lang ang nakita. Ang wala mo pa nakita, we don't know. I personally suspect it's more. It's a lot more. Yes. And that is dangerous because if it is not treated, it will kill the crop. Papatayin niya talaga tubo. So wala kang harvest. So next year, yung production natin, nagda-drop. Garantisado yan.
Parang medyo contrary naman po yung sinasabi ni SRA Administrator Ascon. Ang sinasabi niya, he called the situation manageable. Iba po ang naririnig. Go ahead.
No, we totally agree. It's manageable. For as long as you know. Diba? Kung malaman mo nga may peste, very manageable. May mga may mga
pesticide.
Pesticides to counter that. So no question about that. The important thing is with you helping us, the media, let's make the planters aware of this problem, and they have to go out to their fields and check what's going on.
Where do this come from po, itong mga peste na ito? Paano po sila kumakalat?
Galing sa Egypt.
Sa Egypt?
Yes,
ang layo ng kanilang
porte.
Ang layo ng kanilang Okay, paano po napunta po dito po?
Yun ang hindi na natin alam kasi yung ating borders very porous Very, very porous.
Is this the first time po,
baka hindi
sir?
naghigpit, di ba? Kaya very, very strict ang customs, hindi ba? Tinatanong kung meron kang dalang halaman, kung meron kang dalang produce, hindi ba? Kasi nga yan ang iniiwasan.
Nobody does that. Hindi ba? Nagbabiyahe din kayo, wala naman, walang actual inspection going on.
Correct. Ikaw lang, depende kung idideklara mo o hindi. Pero ito po ang tanong ko, yung sinasabi nyo na yung planters ng tubuhan should go and inspect, and kasi nga yung iba hindi, they don't go out to the fields para tignan kung infested yung kanilang tubuhan. But how does this work po? Kasi kayo po mga asyendero kayo, di ba? Merong owners ng asyenda, ng sugar plantation, ng tubuhan, and then you have your workers, di ba?